It's a humble orange and green fruit grown in the forests of Cameroon, but in America, the African mango is more than just food. It's the key ingredient of a slimming pill labeled by its makers a wonder drug and fast becoming the latest diet craze. It all started when Life Extension, an American company selling anti-aging drugs, started using an extract from the fruit seeds called Ivinga in a diet pill designed as a herbal alternative to more potent slimming medication. Available over the counter, the pills and their packaging promise fast results for anyone looking to cut down on excess fat without increasing exercise or cutting out food.
The reason why Life Extension introduced this product, we were looking for a safe, natural method of weight loss for people who cannot take over-the-counter products that are existing, products with stimulants and such. So the Ivinga in the studies, it's safe, effective, and there's no side effects. The average weight loss is 20 pounds in 10 weeks, so it's pretty impressive.
According to the packet, African mango extracts help people lose weight because the active ingredient, Ivinga, helps suppress appetite while at the same time speeding up metabolism, so the body burns food faster. The scientific journal Lipids in Health and Disease claimed the extract helped both men and women lose an average of 12.3 pounds in 28 days without exercise or diet. Sales of the pills went through the roof when a popular American TV talk show host, Dr. Oz, touted the pills on his program in September 2011. Since then, African mango pills have become top sellers on the diet supplement shelves in health food stores and pharmaceutical shops across the country.
A lot of the feedback has been that the African mango's been doing them very well. It helps them metabolize fat, doesn't make them as hungry as it used to. And they're feeling better on the African mango.
But if the so-called superfruit has made waves on the other side of the ocean, back in Cameroon where the fruit is grown, residents are skeptical.
Mango can't make you thin because they are fruit. People are advised to eat fruit, but they will not make you thin.
Cameroonians are no strangers to herbal treatments and traditional doctors and even witchcraft, which still play an important role in medicine, particularly in rural areas. But while mango sellers have shown no disappointment at their product becoming hot property in the multi-million-dollar global diet industry, most, it seems, would need more convincing before they start using the pills themselves.
Mango is a fruit. We're advised to eat lots of fruit and vegetables combined with dietary supplements. It's possible that they could help you lose weight, but I doubt it.
African mango differs from other mangoes because of its seeds known locally as Dika nuts, which carry the active ingredient Ivinga. According to Life Extension, people in Cameroon have known about the medicinal quality of Dika nuts for centuries, but more as a herbal stimulant rather like coffee than as a way to shed pounds.